In this video, I will be showing you how to connect the internet with the modem. For that, the process is very simple. Make sure that you follow these simple steps in order to get the job done. So first thing first, plug in the modem. Connect the modem to the power outlet. Make sure that your modem is working right now. Connect to the ICP line. Attach the modem to your internet service provider ICP line, usually via a coaxial or DSL cable. Connect modem to router, which is an optional step. If you're using Wi-Fi, connect the modem to the router via Ethernet. If you're not using any sort of router, your modem will be a router itself. Then power on. Make sure that you turn on the modem and router if applicable. Wait for the connection lights. Allow the modem to establish a connection. Usually it indicates by stable lights. It might take 30 seconds to 1 minute according to your modem. Then connect devices. Use an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi to connect your device to the modem router. Now you should have the internet access. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.